Control structures are important in programming languages because they allow developers to control the flow of execution in their code. This means that developers can specify when and how certain pieces of code should be run, based on different conditions or iterations. Let's see how to use control structures in workflows.
In this example, I have a workflow that takes one input parameter named planet. The workflow starts with a switch, a condition, and if the planet equals Jupiter, we're going to call one HTTP service. If the parameter is Mars, we're going to call another HTTP service and enter into a loop. The loop will go over an array of asteroids for Mars. We have 3 of them there, and an HTTP service will be called for each of them. If I run this workflow, and I'm going to start with Jupiter, we can see that we are going to that path and this HTTP service has been called. If I go back to my definition, run it again, but this time with Mars, then I can see that this path has been made, this HTTP service has been called, the iteration has been done, and I can introspect also each iteration of the loop to see the input and output for the service that has been called.